Hey everybody, welcome to Prosperity Pastures Homestead. So it's been it's been a week since we found the swarm on our property, and we successfully captured them on Sunday. Now we have a permanent hive for them. We made a makeshift swarm box just so we could feed our swarm. And Mark now has some bee equipment, as you can see in the background. And we are going to move our swarm into their permanent hive box. So Mark's just going to move our swarm box closer to our permanent hive. Now we did not capture them in a swarm box. They were hanging on a tree, and we removed the whole tree branch and then put them in the box and made another lid so we could feed them until we got a permanent hive. Right, so we gave them raw honey on these trays and they've eaten all of it. And are trying to make a comb for their brood. Now these were just frames. These were foundationless frames that we made just so we could feed them in this temporary hive until we could purchase a permanent hive from PV Mart. And those frames have foundations in them, so hopefully they will start making brood and be able to sustain themselves through the winter with us feeding them. Now I'm just trying to stand back because I don't have any bee equipment on. No jacket, no hood. They're buzzing around. Alright, so we've got all the bees in the hive. Went fairly smoothly. Mark cleaned off each of the frames. They were starting to build comb. So this is a 10 frame box. And we have a pollen and protein supplement we're going to put on top. And we also are feeding them a liquid mixture through an entrance feeder. Main goal is to try and keep these bees over the winter so they survive. So we're going to have to be feeding them constantly since it is so late in the season. And we'll keep you updated on how things are going and when we winterize our hive. Thanks for watching.